It is Saturday, January 15th, and I am trying to figure out how to get notifications even though Outlook is closed. I'm doing that because I'm going to try not to open email as much throughout busy season. I don't want Outlook to be open when I'm working because if I ever see a notification pop up, I have an extreme desire to figure out who is sending me that email and what they want. And that just blows productivity for whatever I'm working on because I have to see that email. So if email is closed, then I don't have that desire. Today is January 17th, 2022. It's a Monday. This guy just filed his first tax return for the year. So I just e-filed my first tax return, which is going to be about one of 200 total tax returns that I'm projected to file this year. Currently I have 89 clients that have signed a proposal that wants to work with me so far. So about half of my total project load is already signed on for the year. To celebrate the first return being e-filed, I have a little something given to me for my office by my number one fan, my dad. Ta-da! Let's go! Thank you, Dad. Sweet. I'll need this. Nice. Don't forget to wet the needle. How do you do this? I already scratched it. Backing. Okay. This is gonna take longer to build than to actually prepare a tax return. Where's the nuts? Which way did the nuts go? Do not hang on the rim. Yes. Should I be out of breath? So when it all comes down to it, I have about 150 to 175 tax returns to do between now and April 15th. That's a lot of returns. Thankfully this year I have contractor Brian to help me out. Brian is awesome. He's a CPA. He's an awesome Pontiac Trans Am. He's much smarter than me. He's really good at preparing tax returns. He's really good at accounting. Glad to have you, Brian. Another person that's going to help with this tax season is an admin who's also my dad. My dad's going to pilot an admin position that hopefully I'll be able to fill with someone else in the coming year. So this season, he's going to help me implement a new tax software called SurePrep. Have you heard of it? What it does is scan digital documents and extracts data and pushes that data into my tax software. That'll hopefully eliminate a bunch of number inputting. So what this admin position will do is check the data from the documents and make sure the software has it going to the right place and it's the right numbers. With it just being me and two part-time helpers this tax season, I have to be as efficient as possible. And that means I try to find the most efficient ways to prepare a tax return for my clients. Long gone are the days of using paper to prepare returns. Pretty much 99% of all my clients upload their information through a document portal, which is great because I don't have to deal with the papers. I'm curious, how do you prepare your tax return? Do you prepare it yourself or do you have a tax professional? That ends today's blog. Peace.